welcome back into my channel, and now I'm going to watch Fate Stay Night game opening in PS2. So let's check it out. So this game was released in 2007 in Japan. Okay, I can see Rin and Archer there, and that's what. Oh, Saber and Ryder. Okay, looking at Saber standing there with her sword, okay, I'm sure that this Fate Stay Night is using Saber's root, just like in the Fate Stay Night anime in 2006. Okay, I can see Kire here, and okay, that's Lancer. Okay, the animation is pretty good, I think. Is it made by Studio Din? Wow, I can see that raw Ayas from Archer. And this is in Archer's Reality Marble. Oh, and it's Saber. She's using her Excalibur. Okay guys, so that was the opening of Fate Stay Night game in PS2, and I think the animation is pretty good. It's similar to the graphics made by Studio Din. Is it made by Studio Din too? And I wonder why I didn't see Gilgamesh in this opening. Maybe he doesn't get any part in this game, but I can see Kirei back then. So I just realized there is Fate Stay Night game in PS2, but it's too bad that I don't have my PS2 anymore. And I think this game only got Japanese language, right? Because when I was googling it, this game was released in Japan in 2007. So is there any English translation for this game? But aside from that, I think the animation is pretty good. And the Fate Stay Night game in PSP that also got a Saber's Root is the remake of this game, if I'm not mistaken, maybe. But again, it's too bad that there are no English translations for these games. So how can I play this? The only way is just to watch from YouTube or searching for the website that got English translation for the dialogue. That's the only way I can do to understand the storyline and the dialogue in this game. So thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you again on my next video, and take care.